Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Facebook account from other devices that you may have logged into your account from. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, be sure to put your likes, write your comments and let's get started. So, please open Facebook on your phone. Next, when you're logged into Facebook, go to the bottom right corner to the menu section. And then, at the top, click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. And here you will need to enter the Meta Account Center. Now select the option which is called Password and Security. Next, where you have logged in, the next step is to select your Facebook account. And here you'll be able to see all the devices that you've logged into your Facebook account from. Or perhaps if you suspect that someone has logged into your Facebook account from another device. And let's say that in order to delete a device that you find suspicious or that you don't need anymore, click here. Select all the devices that you don't like, that you want to get off of. And at the bottom, click on the EXIT button. And immediately your Facebook account pauses. You'll be logged out of that account from the appropriate device. And I also recommend that you go back to the Password Security section and select Change Password here if you suspect it was someone else. Next, select your Facebook account and here change your password. For this, you will need to maintain your current password now. Then leave your new password and repeat your new password. But don't forget to read these lines here that your password should contain non-changing characters of which numbers, letters, and special characters. And after you've changed your password, if you suspect who knows it and someone is logging into your account, then click on Change Password at the bottom, and it will be changed immediately. This way you will protect yourself. No one will be able to log into your Facebook account from any other unauthorized devices. Friends, this is how you can easily log out of your Facebook account from other devices. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, subscribe to see you soon.